In my PSX horror game called The Faceless Killer, you can go from one room to another using this simple transition system. The screen becomes black, the player gets teleported to the other room, and the screen gets bright again. This is how the game looks from the editor. The rooms are not connected, and all of them are saved as a separate scene. For example, here's my bathroom scene, or my living room scene. But then, the game takes place here, in a scene that contains all the rooms together. So let's see how the transition works. I have the door here. All of them have this transition activator, which is a static body containing a collision shape for the door. The activators are in the scene changer group, and they are on the second collision layer, which is the layer I use for the interactable objects. My transition activator script only has a few variables. First, I created an enum, then exported it as a variable. So now I can change it in the inspector if I want to change the whole scene, or just the room. In this video, I'll only talk about the room change, as I talked about the other mode in a previous tutorial. The next scene variable is only important for the scene changing mode. The next pos variable is a node 3D. It's basically just a 3D position in space. So if the player interacts with this door, they get teleported to this 3D position. Let's open my interaction raycast script. I've already made a tutorial about how my interaction system works. You can check it out here if you're interested, but the transition works even if you're using a different interaction system, you just have to adjust it a bit. So basically, if the raycasts collider with a body in the scene changer group, and we press the interaction key, we check if the collider's mode is set to change room. So we check if the activator's mode variable is equal to the enum's change room mode. And then I play the end animation in my transition animation player. And I set my global script's next pose variable, which is a vector 3, to our 3D position's global position. The global script is an autoload script I created, meaning it's active in all the scenes. My transition animation player is here. The end animation changes a color Rex color from transparent to black. At the end of the animation, it calls the next room method. In this method, we set the player's position to the global script's next pos position. Then we play the start animation, which changes the color Rex color from black to transparent. So that's basically it. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.